What is going on, guys, and welcome back to our next adventure from Jamaica Wildlife. Yeah, John, I'm excited to make that one a phone again, people. I swear to God, because my last video I post have me feeling some kind of way, like it have me caught up, I swear. Right now today our game plan is not really today, like what we are doing for this evening. We are going bring the boat down to the water, catch some live bait and stuff, and get ready for a morning where we are going to deal with something.
Yeah, me. You got to deal with me.
Yeah, man, we are going to sort out some things, guys, and I'm going to take you guys step by step throughout all of that and let you know exactly what is going on. Like I said before, we'll be doing some fishing, but early tomorrow morning. So we're just getting prepared, which I like to start vlogging from now, like, you know, blogger vlogging, I don't know how some people call it. So you guys can feel really like you're there. Yeah, man, so just go and stay tuned and I'll take you through, alright? Well, alright, guys, so like I said earlier, right now we are getting ready to bring the boat, go down to the water, because we'll be using a smaller boat because we'll be doing mackerel fishing. So this is our first step of getting prepared for tomorrow morning, alright? So just stay tuned and yeah, man.
So how this man yo, Smithy, oh, you're the on the better part, like you have more strength. Oh,
well, we have to put the weight there. Alright, give space.
What we are going to lift it up.
You have to lift it up, kick it.
Move
Kick like this. I'm going to kick this down on this.
Just not kick it on a foot.
Alright, come in.
Heavy, sitting this up.
No, I'm not heavy.
1, 2, 3. Bend on the knee. Up.
Alright.
This way.
Come down.
Take your time.
Take your time. Take your time.
Right.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Look, make sure that.
Yeah, man, so I have to move the stone them box cover. Prepared. Earlier on I was trying to find the word, but you know I have to ask the expert here. What are we doing now?
We're launching the boat, bro. Getting it ready for tomorrow morning. Gonna hit some kingfish.
Alright, sounds good, sounds fantabulous. Ready and waiting.
Alright, hold it right there so my Smithy, open your back and make sure no one. Smithy, take your time though, man.
Alright, so now that the boat launched, my good people. Right now, our next step, we want to get the bait them. I lie. And like I said, every step of the way, just sit, relax and enjoy, alright? Yeah, man, we got to cover like a turtle shell. Celeste. Nice and easy, alright? Watch this. Alright, guys, a few hours later in the evening, and right now we're back on the dock. I try a thing. Not even try a thing, we know what we are doing. So here we're going now. Right now we're going to get set up to catch a live bait them and create the equipment, which is our own live well. Our custom made live well we are going to use to keep our baits alive and stuff like that. So without further ado, just let us just jump right into it and get a chance to show you guys exactly what we have going on here and what is planned, and stay tuned, alright?
Gotta do innovations, and I give it some more string.
Yeah, man, and the man himself, David, I sort it out. So yeah, as you can see, guys, we have our clothing basket, our clothes basket. We have a noodle pool, A pool noodle, sorry. I lapsed there a little bit. And of course, here we have fishing lines.
Alright guys, so you see what I'm talking about? Saved a lot of money here. You just need a basket from Bashkar Mega Mart, some fishing line, a noodle, and you have yourself a live well. You can even put shrimp in there. Anything you guys want at the river. It's good, cheap, beautiful. Put it down. Yeah.
In the US, it's probably costs like what, like $5?
Pass it over there.
I mean, what a way for improvise.
You see that?
I
Improvise.
swear.
We're gonna get 2 line and just pin it on here so you have a little lid where you can open up.
Alright guys, so there you have it. You don't know, see how we live well that. You get what I say? Created by a closed basket and a noodle where you're using our pool.
Basket never created, it was bad.
And fishing line. Well, I mean.
Give me 2 pieces of line there, bro. You have tie strap?
You see, Pre? Yeah, man.
You have any tie strap?
Creative though.
Eh?
Drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think about our own live well. Feel free to share your thoughts as always, alright?
You can't feed from here to here.
You feed from your energy at all times, viewers and subscribers. Trust me. Alright, viewers and subscribers. See it there? It's in the water already, you know. You see it? So, right now we're going to jig the bait them, you know. Which we are use CBK hooks and stuff like that. Some little fine hooks. And now, yeah man, so you lower the CBK down into the water. You jig it back and forth like a couple of times and then pull it up. And we have bait. So far we have 3 sprat in a bucket. We need lots more. We need way more than this for the trolling and the bigger size one them. Yeah man, and this about 2 drop. Sometimes they're aggressive, sometimes they calm down, you know. We're going to do it
stuff. What I was telling you earlier is that the key to have a successful fishing trip is to be prepared and have good bait, right? So that's what we're doing right now. We're looking some live sprats. We're going to put them in our live well, keep them live for tonight, right? Tomorrow morning we're going to head out, do some spear fishing, and then in the afternoon when it gets cool, like around 3:30 down to sunset, we're going to go do some king mackerel fishing, right?
So when you speak about mackerel, it's like the Jamaican mackerel or...
No, it's not the ones you get in the tin. Not the tin boom or dash out, right?
Flash out.
Yeah. This is actually a family of the wahoo. So you have the 3 kind of mackerel we have in Jamaica. We have Sierra mackerel, king mackerel, and Spanish mackerel.
Cool.
Those are the 3 ones what we're going for, and you'll see them tomorrow, hopefully, if we get any.
Alright guys, so so far so good. We have a few live baits, but I can't really record everything, like every step of the way while we're catching the baits, because it's gonna take a whole lot of footages and stuff like that, and the video is gonna be too long and drawn out. So with the little that I have, I will use that. Alright, because it's not really interesting. It's just catching live baits with CBK hooks and like jigging it and whatever and catching the baits. Alright, but likewise, I'll continue the video tomorrow morning, whatever we're going to do, like mackerel fishing, or if we're gonna free dive. Like, you guys are gonna get a chance to see everything. Yo, Wally, pabi at nga sa tu, you know. Yeah, you guys are gonna get a chance to see everything. So just stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the morning. All right?
Yo, I'm so excited, so still.
Yo, you know, send me there back again. Gentle people, I swear to God, Mr. Not even uno can know. Yo, I wish you could have just know me heart a pump right now. Me say a time for we go back in a boat. No time for we go catch whole heap of fish. Me say more mash up the mackerel and give you an excellent video. The things say I lie. Watch on the man, yo, just catch it when they're there in a boat, gentle people. If I'm, yo, Jano, if I'm lying, I'm what? Big up on yourself. Remember for always like, share and subscribe, you know. Yeah man, share this to everybody, you know. Big up on yourself. Alright, so just in case you guys are wondering what happened to a live bait and a live well, make see them there. They're active now, bubble gum, watch it. We never see them so active yet. Alright guys, so right now we're up on the boat and about to leave off. But you see, before I go, I want to bust a word of prayer, because it's until now. We we're happy so much. We're not even sure if we're gonna catch a fish, so we feel like we want to pray to God for blessing with some fish so we can get a decent video. So close your eyes with me now. Father God, as we come before you this evening, Father God, going out there in the ocean, dear Lord, I want you to bless us with some fish, dear God. I want you to bless each and every one of us on the boat. Bless our captain, dear Lord. Bless Soy Vlog, bless Jamaica, Spearfishing Jamaica, sorry. Bless everyone, dear God. Give us some fish, God. Dispatch your wings around us, dear God. Forever, evermore, amen.
Fish nose right here. See? Straight across. See?
Alright, so we're pinning some baits. Basically, you're going to
So we're gonna throw this one out again. Right here. See? Swimming already. We know this is swimming enough. See that?
Yeah.
Good. That's how we do it. You don't want it to be too stiff, because too stiff you can break this line, because this line too soft for that. So why do you have to release a little bit on the clip? So the lock, see? Easy fly, see?
And that called the outrigger?
Yeah, we call it outrigger. So this one is the clip on the outrigger.
Alright.
To hold the line apart.
Yeah.
And fish bite on this, snap. Do it like this.
Alright guys, so right now the line them set out and one month of things and we're there just patiently waiting just to hear one of the reel them give a sound. If you just say kufu, sitting company boat, dinner. And if you reel just say ha, a fish there in our boat. You understand what I say? But Celeste, patiently waiting. Remember it's called fishing and not catching, guys. So let's just hope we get something and we can finish our video tonight for now and post it, yeah? Stay tuned. Anytime the reel goes up, boom, we're not going to hear what I'm going, yeah? Yeah man.
tell us a theme rod? Oh.
Catch me, see him. Hey, watch my picture, right?
How do you feel about broken in the ducks?
You know, it's a big man thing. We feel like you man them with the money. Lucky. We always have money, but you ain't dead. Alright guys, so literally we're up on the boat for like almost 2 hours now and just one fish we catch so far. Little long jaw I want to see me take up earlier and right now it get dark so I want to head back in and I feel like I could just close the video but not yet, so I'm just going so I'll go and see him where I have nothing to just end the video in time. I go back in, edit the video so I can get contents out there and stuff like that. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, but let's just hope and see. We have a couple more minutes out here. Let's just see if nothing I got bite. I have something bite, I'm gonna get a chance to see. I say I go still fishing it, call not catching, so it's just one of those days, isn't it? Alright guys, so unfortunately I forgot to close the video, so guys, as you can see Captain the ball up the line and stuff for it. As just say come down this evening guys, but like always thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Always remember to drop your comments.
We're going to different job tomorrow.
Yeah? please like, share and subscribe, you understand? Yeah man, and let me say, until next time, Jamaica Wildlife. Madness. You can't angle that cousin. And the boy will learn, you know, can look like he love you, know.
Yeah, you learn with the party now, me have to do the party.